Hey, welcome to my channel. I'm Purva and today I'm going to shoot a video of this candle right here. It smells so good. It's gonna be a very simple bland shot, a boring shot rather. But I'm going to try and make this boring shot into something which is more pleasing to the eye. This video is inspired by Daniel Schiffer. I'm going to link his YouTube channel in the description box below. I absolutely admire his work. His videography skills and his B-rolls are fucking amazing. So I think you must check his channel out if you are interested in such stuff. Let's get started. Just got done with shooting my video and now I'm going ahead to my PC to edit that in Premiere Pro. This is how the video turned out to be. I am just a beginner at Premiere Pro, so I've just started learning it. These are really simple tips and tricks that you can learn in seconds to make your videos better. If you're a beginner, this video is for you, but stay tuned to my channel because I'm on a learning journey and I hope you learn with me. Bye bye.